You got a stick. Where did you get that? Where did you get that? Huh? I didn't see you when you got it. You got it outside. You find it outside. Who found it? What, ¿Vieron? ¿Querido lo encontró? Yeah? Oh, that's not a toy, papi. Don't chew on that, okay? It's just for playing, but not chewing, okay? Not food. Sorry, not food. I meant to say food. Yeah. Okay, you good boy. You give up. Okay. Can you wait put it up? We're going to bed. Yeah? Can we put up the stick? Okay. Give it to mommy. Give it to mama. You want to go to bed with mommy? Let's go. Yeah, you want to go to bed? Let's go to bed. Yeah? You had a long day today. Yeah. You had a long day today at the park. You love the park? You do. Come on. Let's take off the leash. Come on, the harness. Can we take off the harness for you? Okay, come on. Let's get this off. Let's do it, Papa. You good boy. Good boy. Okay. Let's put up your harness here. Okay. I don't know how to tell you, buddy, but sticks are not a lot of my bed. Huh? We got plenty of toys in my bed already. I sleep with all the toys at night with you. Sticks belong outside, not inside the house. Okay? Can we put it up for tomorrow? Yes. You can sleep with lamb. With your lamb chap. Okay? Look at the bed. Ay, ¿qué tiene mi amor? Ouch. Jumping on mama. I love you. I love you. I love you. Enough. Too much love. Too much love. I'm tired of love. Too much love. I'm overwhelmed of love. Sit down. Get up. Go play. Go play. Vamos a go inside? Vamos. Vamos para adentro? Vamos go inside? It's too hot. I know, it's too hot. Let's go. Let's go. It's too hot. 110, I guess. It feels like 110. Come on, buddy. Tiruling. Wanna go inside?